Welcome to the airwaves of
ABBS ISFW B Station 99.7.
where every frequency is on the way to entertainment, information, and connection.
As you tune into our station, prepare to be immersed in a world of vibrant music, engaging talk shows, and insightful discussions.
Stay tuned for updates on local, national, and international news that resonate with our listeners.
Join us on this journey through the airwaves as we bring you the best radio broadcasting.
ABBS ISFW B Station 99.7, your ultimate destination for quality entertainment.
Good day, listeners.
Good day, Baliwag City.
Here the top news for today in national increase rise inflation rate in 2024.
Level adjustment school year calendar.
Piso enrollment of ISAT Baliwag. By reporting,
Fearless News.
And Trinidad Broadcasting is Charles Diego Flores.
This is Eliza Mabinaw.
and this is General Schools at your service.
This is ABBS
ISFW B Station 99.7.
A pleasant day, listener. Today we bring you urgent news regarding the alarming increase in rice inflation rate in 2020. For more details, here is your quiz for the report.
As a country who always serve rice from breakfast to dinner, this tells that rice is extremely important in the Philippines. Recently, a big problem has occurred about the prices continuously going up. The latest report from the Philippine Statistics Authority, or also known as PSA, says that the rice prices have increased by a huge amount in January 2024, as it reached the highest level in 14 years, from 19.6% in December 2023 up to 22.6% in January, can be considered as a big deal ever since March 2009. It has not been this drastic. With a sudden increase, Filipinos feel worried because it affects how much they have to spend on food on their overall well-being. This has been your news bulletin. Thank you for tuning in. Stay informed, stay safe. This is Rochelle Cruz reporting.
Thank you, Rochelle. Breaking news coming in. Vice President Sara Duterte has announced adjustment to the school year calendar as directed by Department of Education. To continue the news, we have Cristel Agapito. Thank you, Gianna. Department of Education implemented adjustment in current school year calendar. Adjustment resulted from a consultation with various stakeholders. According to Debit Order Number 3, Series of 2024, the end of school year rise is scheduled in the last week of May, followed by a one-month vacation for teachers and students. Also, that reminded schools that they are not allowed to give teachers on form of assignment from June 1 to 30. That their activities will continue on July 1 to 17. School year 2024 to 2025 will start on July 29 and will end on May 16, 2025. These adjustments are made to bring back pre-pandemic calendar, which is expected to resume by school year 2026. This has been your latest news bulletin. Thank you for tuning in. Stay informed, stay safe. This is Cristel Agapito reporting.
Thank you so much. Sit back, relax, and enjoy for valuable insight and exciting musical. We'll be right back after a short commercial.
Welcome to our special segment on mental health awareness. Today, we're joined by Dr. Charles and Dr. Rochelle, a licensed therapist specializing in mental health. Dr. Charles and Dr. Rochelle, thanks for being with us.
Thank you for having me, Ma'am Eliza. It's crucial to discuss mental health openly.
Absolutely. Now, Dr. Charles, what are some signs that someone might be struggling with their mental health?
Changes in mood, appetite, or sleep patterns, withdrawal from social activities, and difficulty concentrating are common signs. It's important to pay attention to these cues and offer support.
Indeed. And
can all contribute to well-being.
Thank you, Dr. Charles and Dr. Rochelle, for your valuable insight and advice.
Thank you, Ma'am Eliza, for the opportunity to discuss this important topic.
Thank you so much for having me and Dr. Charles and Mom Eliza.
That concludes our segment on mental health awareness. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, your mental health matters. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other's.
And we are back. Here's the exciting updates from ISAT Baliwan. ISAT is offering a piso enrollment. To continue the news, we have Jensel Timoteo. Thank you, Thank you, Diana. The Asian Institute of Science and Technology in Baliwan is an institution accredited by DESTA that offers a technical, vocational education and training programs under the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority and the Commission on Higher Education. They propose an increase in tuition and other fees for incoming freshmen for the school year 2024 to 2025. And they provided a 1 peso enrollment fee. It was implemented this year 2024. It talks about enrolling in ISAT. You will just pay 1 peso for enrollment fees. The enrollment fee is originally 500 pesos, and you will have a free PE uniform and ID. ISAT has a senior high school and a college. In senior high school, we have a GAS, ABM, ICT, TVL, and USTAL. And in a college, they have 3 courses in BS NTEC, BS Office, and BS Tourism. This has been your latest news bulletin. Stay informed, stay safe. This is Jensel Timoteo reporting.
Radio Broadcasting. Thank you for tuning in to ABS ISAT Baliwan Police Station 99.7, where the reading of life meets the beats of the airwaves.
As we wrap up another fantastic broadcast, we want to express our gratitude to our loyal listeners for joining us on this journey.
Keep your radios locked to 99.7 for more music, news, and entertainment that updates your day.
Until next time, remember to stay connected, stay informed, and keep growing with